Mic check.
For the glory of God, the 21st of December, 20th. Remember, ask them, what are you really running? I asked my friend Eric Abia, what are you running? Under which party? That brought what for the people of Ahoada? That brought what for the people of Ahoada? These are the party that was in government in this state, is it not? Is it not? Compare and contrast. Those of you who went to school, they say compare and contrast. Is there anything to compare with us here? Does it exist? It does not exist. I did not come alone to commission the product. I bought good Christmas things for you today.
Yes, Wike, yes, Wike, yes, Wike, my governor.
Because this is Christmas period, is it not? Is it not? So, while others are busy campaigning, our own campaign is to do work, is it not? When you are talking about vote buying, this is the vote buying. We are using the work for the people to support us, is it not? So, people should not bother themselves that thinking people are going to carry money. See our own here. We have used Ahoada dualization. We have used Ebena Road. We have used University Campus. We have used Odemere Ihubo Road. We have used Ozochi Road. We are using Odebude Road. What would they come and tell you to vote for me? Is it available for them? No. Will they come here? No. Will you receive them?
How many them there? Why we no go win them? How many them? How many them there? Why we no go win them? How many them there? Why we no go win them? How many them there?
I made a promise. Is the Bishop of Ebe Diocese is here? The Bishop of Ebe Diocese is here? Is he here? Where is he? Has he gone? Let him come. Come this way, come. Bishop, come. I'm the one directing you in the church. You direct me today. I direct you. Of all the Anglican bishops, I have bought cards for them. He's the only one I have not bought card. So today, take your card.
Father, to you be all the glory, be all the honor.
Americano. Oh, cho. Now, since you installed the new SYMFONI logo, I have not given him his staff of office. Have I given him? Is Commissioner for Chieftains here? Is he here? He's not here. Is the SSG here? Call the new SYMFONI logo.
Nobody gets it, but I like we good. 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 Listen,
now, SSG. Before I go for tomorrow's commissioning for the 10th flyover, today, you go with him, Commissioner of Chieftaincy, prepare a certificate and his staff of office. I will give it to him in the morning before I go for the commissioning.
I see the sweet, I see the pain, I see the bad, them people the sweet. I see the sweet, I see the sweet, I see the bad, I see the bad, them people the sweet. I see the sweet, I see the sweet, I see the bad, I see the bad.
My dear brothers and sisters, my dear traditional rulers, you remember when we came to flag off this project, some of you were complaining it should not end as well as it ended. I said, I cannot award a job when I don't have the money. You know what I told you? Is that what I told you? Let me now tell you. We are awarding to Jonas Berger. From this way it stops to almost to a dualization. Do you hear what I said? Do you hear what I said? Awarding from where Jonas Berger stopped, and the government will take it from there now to Omo. You know, some of you may not understand. Some of you may not understand. This is an area where people thought we will never come out. Today, by the glory of God, it will do it like Port Harcourt. And I say, if I don't do it now, who will do it for you? Listen, don't worry. Hold on. My own family will come. Now, let me tell you why. Let me call our candidates out from the governorship candidate to House of Assembly and to the Senate and the House of Reps. Let me call them so that you know why. The House of Assembly candidates from Ahoada East, from Ogo Eben Andoni, and the senatorial candidate of the senatorial district. Now, you have seen me awarding this road to Jos Wega, is it not? Is it not? Well, you know Jos Wega can't finish it in 4 or 5 months, is it not? Because it's not less than 18 to 20 kilometers, right? All I will do, as usual, is to pay Jos Wega the percentage whenever you pay them, so they won't come for violation, is it not? But somebody has to be in office to supervise that job, is it not? Is it not? If our own candidate for governorship is not in that office, you know that people can jeopardize the project, is it not? Is it not? Will you allow the project to jeopardize? Will you allow this road not to be done? Yes. Will you allow it not to be done? No. So, the only person we have at the this now, no other person. Whoever says he's running for government, he knows where he's running. And he knows where he wants to run to. The governorship candidate is Sinaye Fuara. The deputy, where she comes from too, who will sit from the road. But for some reason, in my order, and the only deputy governor in Nigeria has shown loyalty without being too ambitious is our deputy governor, Dr. Epanibo, who is going for Senate for us. For Rivers West, Senator, will we vote for her? Yes. Will we vote for her? Yes. Our deputy speaker, a young boy who has shown loyalty, who for the first time, his community has not had a road. God and acceptable is working. And that's what to say. When you bring the candidates, you don't need to worry yourself. The progress will come. Has it not come? Yeah. ADC, they hear. We have a house of reps. Let me tell you something. There are those who don't make noise. They are too quiet. But when you see them talk in the chambers of the house, you know you send someone who's the material. Solomon Bob, when you see him talking in the chambers of the house, you will know that an heir son is doing what? Okay. So he is going to House of Rest. So Ahoada is Ahoada Omoku constituency. Our sister is going to join Edison to support Edison in making sure when they are discussing about the trials of an heir kingdom, she will also support Edison. She's there going for House of Assembly. The House of Reps, this one we don't have church in. You have church this one. No. Look at, Idos is here now. Children is here now. They can tell their people, I was with them when these things were done. You, tell your people you were there when something was done. They don't have it. Only to bring killing in their place. That's the only thing they have. Tell them to be very, very careful. Tell them to be very, very careful. Let me not sleep and wake up and bring out the law and arrange some of them. Tell them to be very, very careful. So today, I'm very happy that some of you may not be happy with me because you didn't marry from here. Well, tell your son, or you yourself can marry second wife here, or let your son marry her, or let your daughter marry her. Me, I cannot be in government and then abandon my in-laws. Is that possible? Is that possible? So on this note, let me invite our leaders to join us